for our garden for this summer, guys. We need to wait for one more month and we can start planting already. Start planting already. This one is the okra. This one here is patula. Patula. Put the blue soil on top. Oh, second day. Okay. But the onions is already growing there. So we have a beans here, the long beans. Here we have the bitter gourd, or we call the ampalaya. And the other end is the okra. Here should be the alugbati. There should be the cucumber and zucchini. The calabasa should be there. Should be in the, here is the zucchini, there is the calabasa. In this row is the
Right, where you see.
So we're just having the seedlings in the ground, and it's almost 1 week. Some of them is growing up already. That's the squash there, and that's the zucchini on there. But here, this is the cucumber and the alugbati there. This one is the cantaloupe. And over there is the string beans and the beans also. Yes, so this is my eggplant. Yeah, now I need to transfer them in my special area there, in the box. Let's see. This is my eggplant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of eggplant. So I will transfer there. One, two, three, four, five, six. so nice this time, but the corn there is good. Banana, the sweet corn, and the string beans. And the pumpkin here, they are not going too good too. Only the sunflower, they are growing too fast. And also there I have a sunflower over there in the end. And I saw that we have some green zucchini here. It's there over there. That's the green zucchini. Is here. The green zucchini. Oh yes, that's the green zucchini. Over here. And there's some more coming. And this one is I don't know, that's probably the yellow. So this one here really is the yellow zucchini over here. And this is my kalabasa. All right. So this is our first harvest of our vegetables. This is the zucchini and some more zucchini here. So this is my sunflower and the squash and the corn there. And this is the last month of our vegetables, I can see. Today is September, almost second week of September already, and they are dying. It's too hot, so I can see it's almost done. So this is the squash, there's more, and the okra. The okra is almost dying too, and my sunflower is very big. So this is what happened to my okra and my lemongrass over there, and that's my watermelon. That's the sweet potato there, and this is the lemongrass like that. And the flowers here is dying, and I have the string beans. That's the string beans there that I need to ripe, so I have seeds again next year. And this is another squash in here, and the banana there, and all the eggplant there is also dead already. So, and the eggplant, oh, I saw another eggplant here. This was my eggplant. This is my eggplant now. I saw this ripe eggplant. And the onion leaves. That's the onion leaves. All that onion. Oh, this is what happened to my vegetables this time, guys. So it's almost dead, you know. It's too bad. I have me onion. So this is a good one pot. Yeah. I'm cooking vegetables for tonight. So this is my onion, and I'm going to get me a squash, string beans, and okra. So this okra is too old already. Yeah, that's hard. We need to have that ripen, so we have another seeds next year. Yeah, look at this okra, they are too big already. They are too big, they are too big. This one is too big too. And I will put some lemongrass. Squeeze it like this, right? So I'm going to cook a vegetables with lemongrass, onion, and eggplant. And I will get some squash. Let's get some squash. Some squash. Some squash and onion, and it's our dinner for tonight. Okay. By the way guys, thank you for watching to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and leave me a comment, and thank you for being there with me. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.